If you're a busy homeowner who's too embarrassed by stuff everywhere to have anyone over, and you're too exhausted to get organized, having a closet organizing system is not going to solve your problems. I get why you think that though. When you've been struggling for so long with your clutter, you just want something that works. But if we look at my client Jonathan, he thought he needed a system too. But as a busy CEO, husband, and father of a special needs child, he needed more. What he did when we started working together is declutter all of his stuff first. This is what most people want to skip, but with my simple method, he got rid of 75 bags and boxes of stuff. And this just isn't Jonathan. All my clients get these results in my virtual organizing program. Step 1, you must declutter first before investing in solutions and systems. There's no system out there that can handle an overload of stuff. This is why clearing all of your clutter is the most important step. And this is why Jonathan cleared so much stuff. When you get rid of the excess, you can see what you have. From there, step 2 is to sort. Sorting like with like is much quicker and easier once you've decluttered. Decluttering first helps you focus and feel lighter so you can do more. Sorting helps you before you contain. So what's step 3? It's to contain your sorted, decluttered stuff. This is how you break down the goal of getting organized. Focus on one area at a time to avoid overwhelm. Because when you're overwhelmed, it can be hard to know where to start, and it's really hard to make decisions. So what's clutter? My definition of clutter is unmade decisions. The weight of all those unmade decisions over the years is what causes you to avoid your house altogether. And like I said at the beginning, rarely having anyone over because of shame and embarrassment. So all of your stuff, if it makes you feel defeated and discouraged because you've been trying for so long, but you're hardly making a dent, then it's time for something different. That's why I'm sharing my number one process that I do with all my clients, and I call it the declutter game. In it, I show you how to start and how to make decisions quickly so you can get your home organized. We start with your closet, but you can apply it to any room in your house. Click the link around this video to get it now.